Something unusual is happening in America politics right now, and it's setting off alarms in both the parties just months before the midterms. Across multiple states, of fierce battle over congressional maps is exploding into public view as Republican lawmakers push aggressive redistricting plans designed to flip more House seats before voters head to the polls. What makes this moment so intense is the timing. Normally, redistricting wars happens quietly after the census, but now lawmakers are reopening maps in ways critics say could dramatically reshape political powers. Democrats are calling it a full scale attempt to lock in control before Americans even cast a vote, while Republicans argue they are simply correcting unfair maps created in previous years. Either way, this is no longer a background legal fight buried in state legislature. It's becoming one of the biggest political stories in the country because it could decide who controls Congress in 2027 and what laws get passed for years afterwards. The pressure is especially intense in key battling ground states where just a handful of districts could change the balance of power. Behind closed doors, political strategists are studying voting patterns block by block, neighborhood by neighborhood, trying to engineer map that favor their side. And this isn't just about Republicans versus Democrats anymore. Governors, state supreme courts, election officials, and even federal judges are being dragged into the conflict. Some states are already preparing for lawsuits that could move all the way to the Supreme Court before election day. The reason this matters so much is simple. In modern America, congressional elections are often decided long before the first ballot is cast. If a district is drawn heavily in favor of one party, the general election can become almost meaningless. That's why activists on both sides are warning that the fight over maps may matter more than the fight over campaign ads or debates. What's really adding fuel to this fire is growing fear inside the Republican Party that demographic changes and suburban voting trends could slowly weaken their House advantage if they don't act aggressively now. In states where populations are shifting rapidly, party leaders believe they may have a limited window to secure safer districts before future elections become harder to win. Democrats, meanwhile, are accusing Republicans of trying to manipulate the system rather than complete fairly. Progressive groups are already launching fundraising campaigns around the issues, telling supporters that democracy itself is under threat. But Republicans are firing back with their own arguments, saying Democrats used similar tactics in blue states for years and are only angry now because the strategy is being used against them more effectively. The result in a political arms race unlike anything Americans have seen in recent midterm cycles. What could make this even more explosive is the possibility that the redistricting fight spills far beyond Congress. Political insiders are warning that state legislative maps, governor races, and even future residential elections and presidential could be affected by what happens over the next several months. Every district line influences voter turnout, campaign funding, and party momentum. If one side gains an advantage eagerly, it can create a ripple effect across the entire political system. And there is another major concern emerging: voter trust. Many Americans already feel skeptical about elections, and experts fear that highly partitions map changes could deepen public frustration and increase political polarization even further. In some states, protests are already beginning outside the Capitol buildings as citizens demand independent commissions instead of politicians drawing their own districts. That anger could intensify if courts appear unable or unwilling to stop controversial maps from taking effect. At the same time, this battle is exposing a deeper truth about American politics in 2026. Both parties increasingly see every elections as an existential fight for survival. That mindset is pursuing political leaders towards more aggressive strategies, fewer compromises, and constant legal welfare instead of persuading undecided voters. May campaign now focus on designing districts that reduce competition altogether. Critics say that a trend weakens democracy because politicians become less accountable when districts are considered safe. But supporters argue redistricting has always been political and that today outrage is more about power than principle. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing my channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.